Going to show how to sharpen our triangle tool here this morning. Our tool comes with a cushion grip, 1/4 inch high-speed steel, round blank, is sharpened at 30 degrees on a triangle. Also comes with a triangular shaped sharpening block which tightens around the high-speed steel blank. We're using a disc sander here just for demonstration purposes. I have clamped a piece of angle iron 30 degrees off of the disc face. Then I've just used a little C-clamp here for a stop. And what you do, I use a piece of plastic, clear plastic, for a gauge. Slide this up, put the piece of plastic between the little C-clamp, and I move that on up, and you can see this is already right to the angle that it should be, because it pretty much centers itself. I snug that up, pull that away, go ahead and tighten it up here. Okay, now we're going to turn this on. And as we come up to our stop, you'll see it just kind of stops. Turn it over to the next one. That's pretty much it. Does a really good job, and all the surfaces are equal.